If you can't log in on Amazon, it may be problems with Amazon servers, and in that video let me show you how to check if it really is. And that's quite simple and easy, guys, and all you have to do is open up your Safari browser and go to google.com and in search bar enter Amazon Down, and now hit on the first link to open up site downdetector.com, and on that site at the very top you can check if there are any problems with Amazon. Now it says that user reports indicate no current problems at Amazon. You can scroll down that site and check that graph. It's reports on Amazon for the last 24 hours, and there, right here, you can left your report. You can left report for website, app, or for checkout. So if you can't log in on Amazon with your app, just hit app, and basically that's it. You have just sent a report that you have problems now with your Amazon. And also you can scroll down on that site until you find comments, and here read if other users have problems with Amazon, and if it really is, it maybe say you that now currently Amazon servers are down or having some problems. That's how it works, guys. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe.